into the PowerPoint because we haven't answered Matt's question yet about the damn angle. So we'll get into that next. So let's see. Which color did I usually get? Okay. So, there's going to be 4 numbers in our equation. We have to know 3 of them. What are the 2 that are given in the beginning? We know 2 for sure. 6 over the 100. Tell me your name.
Jessica.
Jessica, thank you. 6 over 100 is the grade, so we're going to start with that. The grade of 6% implies we've got 6 meters over 100 meters. And the beautiful thing about that is the meters over the meters, I'm going to put them in here in parentheses, those meters will just cancel off as if they're not even there because you have the same unit in both. Right? If my foot is exactly 12 inches long, how many of my feet will it take to get across a 35-foot room? Well, if I divide 35 feet by 1 foot, that's equal to 35. It'll take 35 of my feet, right? It won't take 35 feet of my feet. Even saying that out loud, you're like, that doesn't make any sense. It's like Dr. Seuss, right? 3 eggs in hand, your feet, my feet. That's why the feet cancel, or the meters will cancel. Good? Plus I'm dancing. All right, so here's rise and run, correct? Rise and run. So what did I give you, or what did actually Josh give you in this particular problem?
The run.
He gave us the run. He gave us the horizontal 25.2 meters. Now, that's an ugly number, which I was thankful for, because life is full of ugly numbers, just FYI. You're going to have ugly numbers to deal with in your life. You probably already do, bills and things like that. But they're never like, you never get a bill for like $100, although I did get fast food the other day. It was $6.66. But you get these weird numbers that you have to do math on, right? So 25.2 meters, here's what I'm looking for now. I want to know what this is, yes?
Yeah.
This question mark up here. So can I call it question mark? Is that okay if I do that? Or should I just put rise in there? Maybe I just put the word rise. Oh, you like X? Sorry, I was trying to avoid it to not bring back bad memories. X. Okay. Sorry.
X is comfortable.
Okay, cool. That's so funny because I assumed it wasn't. But let's move with X. Question mark is uncomfortable because it's too different. Okay, I totally get that. Okay, so this is just reference over here. Rise over run is just reference. So, which way do we like? Do we like, it's Christy, right?
Yeah.
Christy with the triangle?
I did it that way.
Absolutely. Let's do the triangle. We'll use the same colors. We'll use orange for the triangle method. Pocket with an orange mark. There it is. And this is the beauty of that triangle method. You do the 2 across the diagonal that you know. So 6 times 25.2 meters divided by the 1 over here, which is 100. That's the beauty too. You're dividing by 100. That's pretty awesome, isn't it? Dividing by 100, again, speaking of Europeans, this is why the Europeans went up on us mathematically. One of the many reasons. They have a metric system which is based on powers of 10. Something very, very beautiful about that. Watch. What's 6 times 25.2? 151.2? It's 151.2 meters. Notice there isn't meters here now. Has to be because this guy has a unit. 25.2 has a meters. The 6 doesn't. The 6 doesn't. That's just a number 6. 6 of those. Divided by 100. Not 100 meters, just 100. And the beautiful part about that is, to divide by 100, you just take that bad boy, boop, boop, 1.5-ish. 1.512 if you want all your precision. 1.512 meters is how high you'd have to rise. Is that fair? Is that believable? That's believable. Now, I did not do that in my head. Excuse me, I didn't do it in my head. I wanted to get in a ballpark approximation. So when Josh said 25.2, I said, 25. I said, what if it's 25? Right? That's much easier, isn't it? Because 25 is a quarter of 100. Fair? Which means if the full 100 would rise 6, half of the 100 would rise 3, and a quarter of the 100 would rise 1.5, which is damn close to what you guys got. You got more precision. I got a quick answer that I can mark with you guys as I walked around and make sure you were all on the same page as me. We're all on the same page, hopefully. Now we are anyway. We're on the same page now. Believable? Getting there? Maybe. Please. Oh, tell me that. Question. Question?
You can just tell by my face.
No, I saw movement. It's the amphibian. It's the amphibian thing. Yes.
Somehow I got lost right here on the second step.
Okay, I'm going to go back to exactly Christy's method, because I invented what I thought Christy was talking about.
Oh, that's
Rather than trying to read her mind, Let me show you what she did.
Okay.
You can forget this.
Just to keep this.
No, for sure, for sure. If I got this right, Christy, make sure. So you have, this is Michael's method, not that Michael's method is nothing wrong with it. Her method, and I love this, is triangle method. Identify the 3 numbers that you have.
Right.
Multiply the diagonal numbers and divide by the remaining number. So 3 times 100 over 6.
Okay.
3 times 100 divided by 6, that's your result. That's what the question mark will do.
Oh.
In any triangle, in any proportion. That's gorgeous. Gorgeous in its simplicity. It will always work as long as you have a pure proportion, which you're going to have in these classes, in this class anyway. Eh? I love it. I like Michael's too, but you see why Michael's in my method, which I defaulted to, is a little bit messier on this one. It's too hard to know exactly what takes 100 to get to 25.2. It's not really dividing by 4, it's dividing by a teeny bit less. So it's just, if you need precision, you gotta have to use a machine to get the number that you need, which a bunch of you guys were doing, which was great. Fair? Ish. Fair. Believable. Let's go with believable rather than fair. Okay.